Hey everyone! If you're looking to save time cleaning around the house, I think you're really going to like this product. Today I want to show you the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, I've been really impressed by how many different things it can clean. In fact, I actually let this sink get dirty for several days without cleaning it, so I could really show you how this product performs in a real cleaning situation. This is a multi-purpose cleaning paste designed to help remove grease, built-up grime, stains, soap residue, and general dirt from all kinds of household surfaces. You can use it on sinks, tiles, ovens, glass, stainless steel, bathrooms, kitchen surfaces, and much more. So for this video, I wanted to put it to the test and walk you through the entire process step by step so you can really see how it works. First, here's a quick look at the product itself. The container is very simple and easy to open, and the paste has a thick texture that makes it really easy to work with. Something else I like is that it comes with its own application sponge, although you can also use any damp sponge you already have at home. The first thing you want to do is take a small amount of the product with a damp sponge and apply it directly onto the surface, just like I'm showing here. You want to cover the entire area you're cleaning and gently scrub, so the product spreads evenly across the surface. You'll notice that it spreads very easily and starts working almost immediately. Right from the beginning, you can already see it helping lift away the dirt and buildup. As soon as I started using it, I noticed how smoothly and evenly it spreads across the surface. It doesn't feel watery, and it also doesn't become difficult or messy to use, which I personally appreciate because it makes the whole cleaning process feel much easier. As you can see here, I'm gently scrubbing the area while letting the paste do most of the work. I like that you don't need to apply too much force or spend a lot of effort to start seeing results. This type of product is especially useful for areas where dirt and buildup tend to collect over time, like kitchen grease, water stains, soap scum around the bathroom, or surfaces that slowly start losing their shine and looking dull. One thing you should definitely do, especially when you're dealing with tougher buildup or stains that have been sitting there for a while, is let the product sit on the surface for around 10 to 15 minutes before fully cleaning it off. That gives the paste a little extra time to work into the grime and loosen everything up before scrubbing again. I've noticed that doing this can make the cleaning process feel even easier, especially in areas where dirt and residue have really built up over time. While it sits, you can actually start seeing the product working on the surface, which is pretty satisfying. And since the paste has a thicker consistency, it stays in place really well instead of sliding around everywhere. After letting it sit for a few minutes, I usually go back in with the sponge and gently scrub one more time before rinsing everything away. At that point, most of the buildup comes off much more easily, and the surface already starts looking noticeably cleaner and brighter. I also like that you don't need to rush through the process. It feels simple, straightforward, and very beginner friendly, even if you're using it for the first time. And honestly, one thing I really appreciate is how simple the entire process feels. Basically, you just apply a small amount of product, gently scrub the surface, and then wipe or rinse everything away. After using it for just a few minutes, you can already start noticing a big difference. The surface begins to look much cleaner, brighter, and much more refreshed compared to before. And here's the final result. You can definitely see the difference once everything is finished. The surface looks much cleaner overall and leaves behind a really nice polished finish that honestly stands out. Overall, I think this is one of those really practical products to keep around the house because it works on so many different surfaces and makes everyday cleaning feel much easier and faster. So, if you've been curious about trying the Pink Stuff for your kitchen, bathroom, or general cleaning around the house, I hope this video gives you a better idea of what the real experience actually looks like during everyday use. And honestly, after trying it myself, I definitely think it's worth giving it a try.